And away from that, self-declared NRM General Miguna has cancelled plans to return to the country today, citing his disapproval of the government's refusal to issue him with a Kenyan passport. Miguna, who had on social media indicated that his return date to the country today was unchangeable, has now instructed his lawyers to bring to the court's attention what he terms as willful contempt of its orders to facilitate his re-entry into the country. The Immigration Department had earlier written to the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, stating that they would neither issue Miguna with a passport nor buy him an air ticket as ordered by the court. According to the Immigration Department, however, Miguna is eligible for Kenyan citizenship if he applies for it. Miguna's lawyers will now be seeking fresh direction from the court.